Okay, let us see the ninth week, third question. How to create the development of square prism. The object is square prism, side 30 mm, base side 30 mm square, and height is 60 mm. Okay. The orientation of the square prism is resting on base on HP and on side of base 30 degree to VP. This 30 degree will appear in the top view. Okay. Cutting plane perpendicular to VP, 40 degree inclined to HP, and bisecting the axis means it is passing through the center of the axis. Okay. What is the height? Say 60, 30 mm it is passing through from the base. Okay, let us do. I will maximize the ribbon. Okay. Now, any plane, we are going to draw the 2D only. So that any plane you will choose and then maximize the ribbon. Double click on home. Okay. Okay. Now draw the XY line first. Horizontal line. It's ortho mode on straight line. Approximately. Okay. 200 mm. Enter. And then take polygon. We have to draw the top view below the reference line. Okay, below the reference line. So that I am taking polygon. True shape will appear in the top view. So you take polygon and draw number of sides 4 because it is square. 4, enter, and the edge length is, we are going to draw 30 mm edge length, and first draw straight. Drag left hand side, it is in the. Okay, what is the edge length? 30. Okay. Now let us move it and adjust this. Okay. Now this one side is now 0 degree parallel to VP, but here it is given one side of the base is 30 degree to VP, so that in the top view itself you have to rotate 30 degree. Rotate, take rotate command and then select the square, then press enter, select the center point as a base point and 30. The angle is 30. Okay, it is rotated. Let us ensure that angle what we rotated, angular dimension with the VP, this one side will be, we'll zoom it, take the command zoom, enter, window, you select the option window, you will make a window of this portion. Then that portion alone will be zoomed in. Okay. Again escape and zoom all. Zoom Z enter, A enter. Okay. You can meanwhile you check your diagram. It is 30 degree. Now according to this rotated top view, we have to project the front view. Project all the corners of the rotated base. Meanwhile, this prism, this is prism, so that project all the corners above the to the XY line. Okay. Enter, again take line and this corner finally. Okay, meanwhile if you want to name it. Okay, now we'll trim that. Okay, now I'll make little bit zoom. only you can see. Now draw the front view. What is the height? It is 60 mm height. So from there you draw 60, 60, enter. You draw horizontal line, 2D only, so that it's a line command you can draw easily. Draw, later we will trim it. Okay. Again take line. From you project all the corner point from the bottom. Randomly you draw, then you trim it. Okay. That's the easiest way. Then trim command. You select all the lines extended portion you will get, and then you trim this projected line also. If you want you can keep but okay. Then this line will be in dotted line. Okay, let it be. Let it be. Now you draw along with this, you draw the center axis also. This is the axis, center point of the prism. You project up to this. From here you draw another axis line. To differentiate that, you color that axis line. Okay, or make it center line also. You know how to make it center line? Or meanwhile we will make it coloring. Double click on it and color it. Axis line. Okay. Because in that line only the cutting plane reference shall we take cutting plane reference. Okay. Let us make it axis will be in the green. Okay. And now let us draw the cutting plane. That plane is bisecting the axis and it is passing. Draw the approximate length line. This line length should be more than the width of the prism. Okay, approximately this width. Okay, approximately more than. Then rotate this line. What is the cutting plane angle? Orientation, cutting plane angle perpendicular to VP, 40 degree to HP. Okay. Then it is now HP 0 degree parallel to HP. Then you rotate the cutting plane. This is reference angle. Reference line. Select, enter. 40 degree. 40, enter. Okay, it is rotated and place this in the middle of the axis line which is in green color. Okay. Select object, base point, and drag it to the midpoint of the green color line. That is the bisecting, means dividing the axis into two equal halves. Okay. Now let us trim unwanted portion because that is cutting. Okay. Trim all the portions. Okay. Now this point should be projected this side. Okay. Now meanwhile we have to draw the if you unbound these four lateral sides, what will be the shape we will get? You draw 160 mm line from this line, 60. And here you draw, one side is 30, then 4 into 30, 120 mm, 120, okay, length, enter, and you draw line like this, and then offset 30 mm. 30, enter, select, you draw like this profile, pull. If you develop the prism sides, you will get this entire thing. After that, nearby you draw straight to this. Then you project this first to first line, okay, and then second corner, this is first, okay, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Accordingly you project the, this is second, okay, and this is third, okay. That's why I am asked you to number this 1, 2, 3, 4. This is third, okay. Then finally this is 4. Again there is 5 lines, okay, so that again the first will come, because 1, this is 1 dash, okay, 1 will appear here also, so that we will extend the first drawn line, extend this line up to that last fourth, that is the fourth, fifth, okay, and finally you take the line and join this third, this one is third, okay, this is 4. Accordingly you join, okay, and then you trim unwanted portions, okay. To make it coloring, you select all this is also you should trim, or you can draw a line along with this, line on line, because we are going to differentiate, okay. You can select this, double click and change one line color. Let us take another yellow, okay, and you can go for match property, okay. That is the matching the property to other required lines, okay. That command is MA, matching the property. Color, I am going to match the color property, okay, MA. Enter. First it will ask source property, source line, this one. You click all other lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, okay, enter. Okay, now the development of prism, this another line I missed it. This edges also should be shown in yellow color, okay, enter. Now this is the, will zoom a little bit, okay. In addition, you can go for giving one side dimension, dimensioning, it is important, okay, one side dimension, all sides first, and then one side will be 30, okay, what we done. Other things, the cutting plane, passing angle, passing height, that is also you should provide. This is 30 mm, okay, because middle it is passing through the axis, and this inclination also you should provide, angular inclination of that, this VP to the one side, 30 degree. Let us make it zoom, enter, window or extend, window, you will make a window, that window will be zoomed in, okay. This is the yellow color, is the development of the given remaining portion of the prism. Thank you.